看那春光照，喧闹了枝头，花瓣颜色好，阿妹更娇羞。
看那春水流，流过小桥头，风吹歌声飘，飘过吊脚楼。
吹起我的芦笙，妹妹你唱一首。等到太阳落山，你就跟我走。
带上我的米酒，哥哥你尝一口。甜在你的眉梢，醉在我心头。
5-axis Gantry remote control server 3. The physical machine can connect at the server as well as can connect at the client. Previous at the server 2. The physical machine connected at the server terminal. If the physical machine connected at the client and the remote controlled by server, how can we do it? Okay, let's demonstrate. And the server use remote function and use open server to open IP address 192.168.1.113, and the client open the same CSV scene, and then the client using remote function as well, and using open client and input server IP type in 192.168.1.113 coming from the server, and press OK. After connected, the client connected displayed on both screen. Then, how can we do the next control? The physical machine is at the client terminal. At the server, we have to press the remote function, and here is the client PLC input back. The client PLC input back will back to the server if we let the client input back. Client PLC input back, the parameter become 1, not 1 if PLC on. Allow client input back to server. Then thereafter, the script is defined at the server. Okay. And the physical machine at the client. The client virtual machine control the physical machine and the response, the data of input back to the virtual machine of the client will be passed to the server. Then to trigger the next command of output, to control the server and the client virtual machines as well as the physical machines automatically. Let's do the demonstration. At the server, we choose PLC mode and trigger the program. You can see the virtual machine of the server running, and we can see the virtual machine of the client running simultaneously. If the real physical machine connected to the server, to the client, the PLC input will feedback to the virtual machine of the client as well as be passed to the server, and the program on the server will execute it one by one until the prepared materials finished or the machine shut down.
春光照，喧闹了枝头，花瓣颜色好，阿妹更娇羞。
看那春水流，流过小桥头，风吹歌声飘，飘过吊桥楼。
吹起我的芦笙，妹妹唱一首，等到太阳落山，你就跟